Hello friends, warm welcome in this genetics quiz. Friends, the rules for this quiz are as usual. That is, this quiz contains 20 marks. Each question carries 2 marks. And to qualify this quiz, you have to obtain at least 50% marks, that is 20 marks. So, let us start with the very first question. The first question is, the first genetic map in fruit fly was proposed by. These are your four options. Option A, R. A. Fisher, S. W. Wright, and J. B. S. Hardney. Option B, S. Luria and M. Delbruck. Option C, Alfred Stuart Wundt, and option D, S. Stadler and H. J. Muller. Yes, the correct answer is C, Alfred Stuart Wundt. The next question is, Biddle and Tatum had given hypothesis of. These are your four options. A, many genes, one enzyme. B, one gene, one enzyme. C, genes segregate independently. D, hypothesis of complementarity. Yes, the correct answer is B, that is one gene, one enzyme. The next question is, measure of the physical separation between genes on the same chromosome in distances called. These are your four options. A, segregation unit. B, mutant unit. C, map units. And D, none of the above. Yes, the correct answer is C, map units. The next question is, Gregor Mendel chose the pea plant for his experiment due to. These are your four options. A, the garden pea was easy to cultivate and had a relatively short life cycle. B, the plant had discontinuous characteristics such as flower color and pea texture. C, pollination of the plant was easy to control. And D, all of the above. Yes, the correct answer is D, all of the above. The next question is, a gene combination that an organism possesses is called as. These are your four options. A, recessive allele. B, dominant allele. C, genotype. D, genome. Yes, the correct answer is C, genotype. The next question is, the situation in which the phenotype of the heterozygote falls between those of the two homozygotes is referred as. These are your four options. A, codominance. B, incomplete dominance. C, dominance. And D, recessive character. Yes, the correct answer is B, incomplete dominance. The next question is, which of the following character is not controlled by multiple alleles? These are your four options. A, seed coat color in pea plants. B, white eye color in Drosophila. C, S gene of red clover plant. And D, ABO blood group in human being. Yes, the correct answer is A, seed coat color in pea plant. The next question is, if the cross is carried in between capital X, capital Y, small y, and capital X, capital Y, small y, the number of possible genotypes with capital X, capital Y will be. These are your four options: A2, B4, C9, and D3. Yes, the correct answer is A2. The next question is, in hymenopteran insects like bees, wasps, and ants, A, both male and female are diploid. B, female are haploid. C, male are haploid. D, both male and female are diploid. Yes, the correct answer is C, male are haploid. Next question is, according to Briggs theory of sex determination by genic balance in Drosophila, if the number of X chromosomes are 3, the number of autosomal sets is 2, the total number of chromosomes are 9, then the sex of Drosophila will be. These are your four options: A male, B female, C metafemale, D intersex. Yes, the correct answer is C, metafemale. The next question is the type of dosage compensation present in the Drosophila is. These are your four options: A hypoactivation, B hyperactivation, C inactivation, and D none of the above. Yes, the correct answer is B, hyperactivation. The next question is to maintain the inactivation of one set of X chromosome in mammalian X chromosome, all genes are remain inactive in one of the chromatin except. These are your four options: A SRY gene, B XIST gene, C MSL gene, D MLE gene. Yes, the correct answer is B XIST gene. The next question is the traits which express in only one sex, although the genes are present in both such traits, are called as. These are your four options: sex-linked traits, B sex-influenced traits, C sex-conditioned traits, D none of the above. Yes, the correct answer is A sex-linked traits. Next question is which of the following is not feature of the autosomal recessive inheritance? These are your four options: A. Traits should not skip generations unless traits lacks full penetrance. B. Most affected individuals are male. C. When an affected person mates with an unaffected person, approximately 50% of their offspring should be affected, indicating also that the affected individual is heterozygous. And option D. The traits should appear in almost equal numbers among the sexes. Yes, the correct answer is B. Most of the affected individuals are male. Next question is which type of inheritance have following characters? Number 1, the trait does not skip generations. Number 2, affected males must come from affected mothers. Number 3, approximately half of the children of affected heterozygous female are affected. Number 4, affected females come from affected mothers or fathers. And number 5, all the daughters but none of the sons of an affected father are affected. So these are your four options. Number A, sex-linked recessive inheritance. Number B, sex-linked dominant inheritance. Number C, autosomal recessive inheritance. And number D, autosomal dominant inheritance. Yes, the correct answer is B, sex-linked dominant inheritance. The next question is the phenomena of the appearance in the phenotype of genotypically determined traits is referred as. These are your four options: linkage, expressivity, crossing over, penetrance. Yes, the correct answer is B, expressivity. Next question is in diploid mapping, 1% recombinant offsprings is referred to as. These are your four options: A map unit, B coefficient of coincidence, C degree of interference, and D none of the above. Yes, the correct answer is A map unit. The next question is in an Neurospora crassa, out of total 1000, the number of tetratype asci were observed to be 118 and the number of non-parental ditype ascus were 3, then the map distance will be. These are your four options: A 10 map units, B 12.4 map units, C 124 map units, D 6.2 map units. Yes, the correct answer is D 6.2 map units. The next question is The mitotic recombinations were first observed by, these are your four options: A. Morgan, B. Batson and Punnett, C. Biddle and Tautam, and D. Kurtzturn. Yes, the correct answer is B. Kurtzturn. The next and final question is the histochemical staining technique in which Giemsa stain used that produce repeatable binding patterns on the chromosome. The resulting bands are called as, these are your four options: A. H band, B. G band, C. I band, and D. M band. Yes, the correct answer is B. G band. So I think you have enjoyed this quiz. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to view educational videos related with the biochemistry and biology. Thank you.